how to disable Instagram likes. So if you want to disable your likes on Instagram post, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you will be able to explore your various posts or reels over here. So in the first step, you need to tap on your profile at the right button corner, and here you have to go for the post in which you want to disable the like. If you tap over the three-dotted vertical line in the right hand side of the post, you'll be able to see the various options, but here are no any option for disabling the likes directly. But you can hide the like count by tapping over the hide like count. Other people won't be able to know how many likes you have got on certain posts. Otherwise, you can also delete your post. For that, you can just tap over the delete option at the button, and by doing that, the post will be deleted. But better, you can just tap over the hide like count, and you'll be able to see the like count has been hidden and the people won't be able to know. So I hope this video helped you to fix your problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.